Hello, I am here to show you how you are going to be logging into Lexia. First thing I'm going to do is open up my internet browser. Today I'm using Safari. I will go into the KPBSD homepage. I will go up to my Canvas course. And I am already logged in. If I was not, it would ask for my student login and password. That would be top and bottom number. If students don't remember these, please let me know. So then I'm going to go into courses, first grade class, and you're looking at my home page. So then I will scroll all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to find Lexia. I'm going to click right on that picture, and it will bring me to the Lexia. So when I am logging into the very first time, I am going to have to type in Miss Larson's email address. However, once you have set this up on your device, you should not have to type this in again. So it will be Helveston-Larson at kpbsd.k12.ak.us. I do apologize. I know it is a long email, but like I said, you will have to type this in once on that device, and if you're continuously using that device, you should not have to type it in again. So I've typed in my email address. It's again MHELVESTON-Larson, LARSON, at kpbsd.k12.ak.us. So I'm going to hit save, and I'm going to go to my login. So this is where students will type in their top and bottom numbers. So I will type in mine for today, and then I will hit log in. This is going to be my first time using it on this one, so they should take me into an initial setup test. However, everyone in our class has already logged into Lexia and has already started making their progress, so we shouldn't have to take any placement tests today. However, if you feel like your student is not at the right level, please contact me and we can get them on the right level for you.
You are going to try a few activities to help you get started. Listen carefully.
So the one thing I would like to tell you about Lexia is there is this awesome apple in the corner. When this apple in the corner is turning red, that is when your student is going to need some assistance. Other than that, everything that is done in this program should be able to be student independent. So this is everything that the student should be able to do on their own. Unless they are struggling, then that red apple will appear. So that's everything that I have to talk about Lexia. When you are done using Lexia, you can go up into the corner, and I'm going to close out of just my Lexia tab. So close out, and it brings me back to the KPBSD homepage. If I want to go back into my Canvas page to do some more work, I'm going to click on Canvas up at the top. I'm going to go into courses, and I will go into first grade. And then that will bring me back to my homepage. If you have any questions about this process, please let me know. I am here to help as much as possible. Thank you.